Have you started using Instagram's quiet mode? If not, then in this video, I'm going to tell you what it is, how to set it up, and how I think maybe it could actually be improved. So what is quiet mode? Well, Instagram have recently launched quiet mode, which allows you to go into quiet mode. Essentially, what happens when you set yourself as being in quiet mode is that you no longer receive notifications from the Instagram app while in quiet mode. Also, there will be on your profile a little symbol to say that you are in quiet mode. And when someone sends you a direct message, they will get an auto response informing them that you are in quiet mode. Then when you come out of quiet mode and you go onto the app, Instagram will give you a rundown of everything you've missed since you have been in quiet mode. So that's what it is. Here is how to set it up. So you want to go to your profile and you want to click on the three lines in the top corner. From there, you then want to choose settings, and then you want to opt for notifications. You can see then there is now an option for quiet mode. You can slide this on and off, and you can set the times that you wish to be in quiet mode. And of course, if that changes day to day, you can just go in, change the time to put yourself into quiet mode. So that is how you set up quiet mode. Now, finally, what do I think of it? Well, as a digital wellbeing coach, I am always a fan of the apps actually thinking about how to manage your digital well-being. And Instagram are relatively okay at this. You can set up things like time limits, for example. And quiet mode is another good feature in that you don't necessarily feel like you have to be present, because people will be informed that you are not present, you are in quiet mode. So it's good in that respect. It's good in that it is, encouraging you to switch off from the app and saying it's okay, because we'll tell you what you've missed and we'll tell people that you're not around right now. The big issue I have with quiet mode is that you can still use the app while you're in quiet mode. You can go on the app, you can do everything you usually can. So it doesn't stop you going on the app. It just tells people that you're not there, even though actually you could be there. So I think it might be even better if you kind of set it up so that you are in quiet mode and you're not on the app. Of course, you can do that yourself by setting time limits either directly on the app or through things like your phone's digital wellbeing settings on Android or your screen time settings on iPhone. You can set up your limits on there to stop you going on the app at those times. But I think it's a big feature missing from this quiet mode. I think it should give you the option at least to stop you going on the app during that time. Now, obviously, Instagram don't want you to not be on the app. The longer you spend on the app, the more they can learn about you, and then the more they can deliver adverts to you that you're more likely to click on, and hence makes them a lot more money. So they don't want you to leave the app. They don't want you to take time away from the app. Is it just a bit of a goodwill gesture setting up things like quiet mode? Probably to a degree. I think, as I say, it would be so much better if it actually stopped you being on the app during those times that you are in quiet mode as well. And then my final thought on this is that, yes, it does pause notifications while you're in quiet mode, but I would highly recommend turning notifications off. This makes a huge difference to how much you pick up your phone and use apps. So you don't need to be constantly aware of who's liked your post or commented on your post or sent you a direct message. I'm sure you can just check at multiple points through the day for an update on that. So I actually would recommend turning off Instagram notifications all the time, not just when you're in quiet mode. So let me know in the comments, have you tried quiet mode? Do you think it's a good feature? Do you agree with me that it should also stop you from going on the app while you are in quiet mode? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And I would also absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel, because I share lots of advice and tips and ways in which you can manage your relationship with the digital world to get the most out of it without getting the negative impact too. You can just click the little watermark down here in the corner to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.